Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. These days we all use WhatsApp and sometimes our friends delete WhatsApp messages after sending. So if you want to read that deleted WhatsApp message, then you need to install Notisave on your mobile. So to install Notisave, you need to open Play Store. Here search for Notisave. Press on install, press on accept, press on open, press on allow, press on next. Here select Notisave for notification access. Press on OK. Now Notisaver is loading app list. Now here we need to select the apps to show on Notisave. Press on next. Here we need to select app which we want to save on Notisave. Here I am selecting WhatsApp. Now I will send some WhatsApp messages on this mobile from my other mobile and show you how we can read deleted WhatsApp messages. Now here as you can see I have received 3 WhatsApp messages. Hello, I am coming at 10 am and the third message was deleted. So to see this third message I need to open Notisave. Open Notisave app. So here you can see all the messages. The first one is hello, the second one is I am coming at 10 am and the third one which was deleted later is are you in office. So by the help of this app you can see messages which was sent to you by your friends and deleted later. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.